What's up mga kapanort? Meron na naman tayo panibagong food vlog today. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go!
Padyakerong Panort.
Ito na tayo ngayon sa Festival Mall. At check natin ngayon yung isang kainan dito, no? Japanese restaurant, tinatawag nila na Ramen Kuroda. So check natin mamaya. Let's go! And here it is mga kapanort, isa talaga sa mga pinipilahan itong Ramen Kuroda dito sa Festival Mall. You can also order here bento meals and set meals. Pati noodles ang ramen nila dito, napakasarap talaga. As authentic as it is, you see, is what you get. For their ramen, they have their classic Shiro Ramen. Kung gusto mo naman ng spicy flavor, you can try their Aka Ramen. And if you like some sushi, you can try their California Roll. And if gusto nyo naman ang mga set meals ng rice, they have their chicken don set and ramen teriyaki. Pwede nyo naman try ang kanilang bento meals katulad ng Kuroda Basic. And kung health conscious naman kayo, ang Kuroda Healthy Bento. And if you're gonna try this as a family, you will really enjoy this. Ito yung mga tipong mga moment na hindi ka na magkamayo sa pagkain. Nahirapan ka pa mag-chopstick. Pero okay lang, at least i-enjoy natin itong meals na to. For more food vlogs, don't forget to follow, share, like, and subscribe on my Facebook and YouTube, Padyakerong Panort.